Battles of Misery! Hockey player versus microwave! Begin!
I'm a hockey player, so that means I play hockey, eh? You cook Hot Pockets, but you will not cook this beat, eh? Get so many goals, run through your whole squad, nobody even knows. Leave microwaves unplugged. A high wattage microwave? Well, that's just blasphemous. I've seen better deeks out of Tempur-Pedic mattresses. You heat up ramen cups, I win Stanley Cups. There's no comparing us. Why do you microwave these nuts? I can score a few goals, make money then quit. Cook up the champ some veggies and make it quick. And during that process, why don't you go ahead and unplug? More people find use with a toaster in the bathtub.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an incredible game. Hockey player's up 2-0. Can Microwave get it back? Can he come back from this devastating lead? Look, he's on the breakaway. Do you believe in microwaves?
Who won? Who's next?